because if we're trying to get that scapula to protract and internally rotate, like I said, we can use a freezing strategy between the scapula and the humerus. So we can internally rotate the humerus to facilitate a little bit more protraction and internal rotation of that same side scapula. Okay, but then put load through the limb at the same time. It's not just about getting the joints into a certain position, but we're trying to load the tissues then. Okay, so this is an adaptation of the Komodo crawl. Okay, where we have that internalization, humerus, scapular protraction. We could also internally rotate the forearm as well, but we're going to keep the fist building tension into the block here as well to get a bit more load through the tricep. Okay, so if we get Connor to gently reach that elbow down so that upper back reaches to the ceiling, we can have them slowly take some pressure off that right hand, and at the same time we're reaching through the elbow, but we're building some low intensity pressure through the outside of the fist on this side. We'll see some load going through the tricep, and that will challenge the capacity, still challenge the capacity of the scapula to maintain protracted, but it'll be less challenging because we're using the humerus to facilitate that scapular protraction as it internally rotates. Okay, as you can see, very, very challenging one, but it's easier from a coordinative challenge when we're looking at it from a joint perspective. Okay, so the intention here is to facilitate greater scapular protraction, internal rotation by using a freezing strategy.